Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by opening the app you'll edit in Photos for quick swaps or iMovie for more control. Import the audio file into Files or iCloud Drive so iOS can access it. This avoids compatibility issues. Once done, open the video and choose Edit or create a new iMovie project, then import the audio track. Make sure the clip is trimmed near the final length so you don't add dead space. This saves time in the next steps. Now you'll remove or mute the original sound to make room for the new track. In Photos, toggle off sound, or in iMovie, detach and delete the audio layer. Next, place the imported track on the timeline and trim its start so beats align with on-screen action. Use pinch to zoom for finer control. Once aligned, add fades and adjust volume. This prevents abrupt cuts and keeps speech clear. Make sure to preview several times to confirm timing and balance. Finish by exporting the video at your desired resolution. Choose 4K or 1080p depending on source. After export, check audio sync and overall loudness on multiple devices to catch issues. If something looks off, reopen the project and make micro adjustments. Nudging by 1/10 of a second often fixes sync problems. A key troubleshooting tip: if audio disappears after export, verify the file format and app permissions for media library. Re-import using Files and repeat the export process.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.